सो गाइज ओनली 1.5 month इज लेफ्ट. उसके बाद हम अपने बी स्कूल में चले जाएंगे एंड आवर न्यू जर्नी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम देयर. बट हैव यू थॉट हाउ टू यूटिलाइज दिस 1 month इफेक्टिवली सो दैट आपके जो अपकमिंग 2 years हैं वो बेस्ट हो. येस, इसके भी कुछ ट्रिक्स होती हैं एंड टुडे आई विल टेल यू दोज कोर्सेज जो आप कर सकते हैं आपकी जो अपकमिंग जर्नी है उसको और बेटर बनाने के लिए. एंड गाइज दीज कोर्सेज आर नॉट जस्ट रिसर्च्ड बाय मी, these are told and recommended by top 99.9 percentiler and also recommended by Vignesh sir and Sanjana ma'am. So you can blindly trust on this upcoming content. So yes guys, welcome to day 20 of our pre-MBA workout series and I'm telling you this is going to be your favorite video out of whole series. So इसको end तक ज़रूर देखना. Yes guys, I will start by telling you important certifications and courses that will help you a lot. So आप notes ले सकते हो, आप video save कर सकते हो. We can start with consulting because many of you have dreamed to work in companies like EY, Bain, BCG, McKinsey. But to reach at that level, you have to be problem solving ready from day one. Because guys, consulting is all about breaking down complex problem into simple solutions using structured thinking and communicating clearly. And guys, if you want to build your strategic thinking from day one, I will recommend you some amazing courses. So guys, first one is BCG Strategy Consulting Virtual Experience. It is completely free and super practical course. And guys, इस वाले course में ना you will get a chance to work on real projects. You will solve market entry problem. You will analyze client data and build recommendations. And you will learn frameworks like market sizing, SWOT analysis, and customer segmentation. And bonus is you will get a certificate too, so it will add a brownie point to your CV. Second course that I recommend you is strategy execution. This will teach you how strategies are designed and rolled out inside companies. You will learn about objectives and key results and रियल वर्ल्ड केस एग्जाम्पल. एंड गाइज ये वाला कोर्स ना तुम्हारे जो केस कॉम्पिटिशन्स होते हैं ना उनमें बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करने वाला है. सो टू गिव इट अ ट्राई. एंड गाइज इन सब के लिंक तुम्हें डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगे, सो टू चेक इट आउट. थर्ड कोर्स दैट इज रिकमेंडेड बाय टॉप परसेंटाइलर इज बिजनेस strategy specialization. This is a step-by-step guides to business strategies, whether it is Porter's 5 forces, value chain analysis and everything. And you will also get one project जिससे तुम्हें real world का experience हो जाएगा. And guys, this will seriously give you a confidence जो तुम्हारी competition जीतने में help करेगा. That is, I know, your biggest motive. Fourth course is very very important. And in consulting also it plays an important role. That is problem solving through Excel. In this we will learn how to solve problem using Excel. We will learn filtering, pivot tables, scenario building, sorting and real PwC templates and examples are used in this. So it will give you a real world exposure. And guys, yes, यही थे जो consulting के main recommended courses हैं and you can take up any two and fully dive into that because they are going to help you a lot. And now let's talk about marketing enthusiast. So you have interest in marketing, right? I will tell you some courses that will add value to your CV and to your thinking. Because guys, marketing is no longer just ads and branding. It is a serious mix of psychology, storytelling and data analytics. And जो courses मैं अभी तुम्हें बताने वाली हूँ, they will sharpen your marketing mindset. So guys, first one is digital marketing specialization. If you are going into marketing, digital marketing is a future. So वो तो ज़रूर कोर्स कर ही लेना. And this course will cover SEO, SEM, social media marketing, content marketing, branding, Google Ads, literally the full digital stack. You will create digital campaigns. You will optimize website for SEO and measure ROI with analytics tool. Second very important certification is Meta Ad certification by Meta Blueprint. This will help you to master Instagram and Facebook advertising. इसमें आपको टारगेट करना होगा, ऑडियंस बिल्ड करनी होगी, क्रिएटिव्स, एनालिटिक्स सब कुछ होगा इसमें. You will learn how businesses are growing with ads and this will add huge advantage during your summer placement. Another course that is going to add value is Google Digital Marketing. ये तो सबने सुना ही होगा. It is very famous and very very important. In this you will learn basics of website designing, e-commerce, store setup, SEO, email marketing, customer journey mapping. So yes guys, ये वाला तो पक्का से कर लेना. And next course that you need to do if you're going to do marketing is IIM Bangalore का marketing management. बिकॉज इसमें सब कुछ केस स्टडीज की हेल्प से समझाया गया है. सेम थिंग इज गोइंग टू हैपन इन योर क्लासरूम. सो दिस कोर्स विल एड सो मच वैल्यू इन योर माइंड एंड थिंकिंग लेवल. एंड गाइज इट इज ग्रेट फॉर दोज हु आर टारगेटिंग FMCG कंपनीज एंड ई-कॉमर्स और प्रोडक्ट मार्केटिंग रोल. सो गाइज ये मार्केटिंग के कुछ कोर्सेज थे. बिकॉज मार्केटिंग में ना स्टोरी टेलिंग तो है ही, क्रिएटिविटी तो है ही, बट डेटा भी उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. एंड दीज कोर्सेज विल हेल्प यू टू एनालाइज एवरीथिंग इन डिटेल. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट finance courses. So guys, finance can be a little bit difficult in some cases, but these courses will help you to understand better when you are in classroom. First course is financial markets. It is taught by Nobel Prize winner Robert Shiller. Under this you will understand risk, you will understand insurance, you will understand stock market, bonds and everything that you need to know about financial market. So guys, this is absolute gem if you want to clear all your basic. And अगर तुम्हें एक और level up जाना है तो तुम CFA level 1 का कर सकते हो course. And even if you don't sit for CFA exam, these course curriculum that is self study resources दिए हुए हैं जो CFA institute ने. If you will study even that ना, उससे भी तुम्हारी बहुत ज़्यादा knowledge बढ़ेगी and it will make you top notch for finance interviews. Another course I want to recommend you for finance is financial modeling. Because under this you will work on practical things, Excel assignments, you will build valuation report. So ये वाली जो चीज़ें होती हैं they will add real skills, like जो work ready skills होती है ना, जो चाहिए होते हैं रिक्रूटर को, this will add that in your resume. So सोच रहे हो ना कि कितना impact पड़ सकता है. So I hope guys if you are watching this video till now you have understood कि कैसे कैसे कौन कौन से courses हैं. And trust me, these all are so valuable. These will really add value. सिर्फ सर्टिफिकेट के लिए नहीं है, ये वैल्यू एडिशन के लिए है. एंड गाइज कोई भी आप कोर्स करो ना तो सर्टिफिकेट के लिए तो बिल्कुल मत करना. बिकॉज इफ यू हैव नॉलेज एंड इफ यू डोंट हैव सर्टिफिकेट they will accept you, but if you have certificate and you don't have knowledge, तुम्हारी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, ये मान लो. This 1.5 month is your golden opportunity to ace everything. So तुम्हारा जहाँ भी इंटरेस्ट है, या कंसल्टिंग, मार्केटिंग, फाइनेंस, whatever, do these courses based on your interest. And still if you are confused, you can DM us or you can just comment down and we will tell you some extra bonus courses as well.